Oh, you can't even see me. Hold on. Let's fix this real quick. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hold on. How's that right there? Welcome back to another video. As always, it's your boy Bobby back again, and clearly, as you can tell, hold on. Right there. Right there. It looks good. And as you can tell by the title of this video, we're going to be doing an unboxing. As I promised you guys, I'm going to be installing the turbo on the BRZ. And so obviously I ordered a couple parts that I was missing for the turbo. One of the things that I really wanted to make sure I had before installing the turbo was an oil cooler. And I think this is the oil cooler. I ordered a couple things. I'm pretty sure this is the oil cooler. The other stuff has not arrived yet. So I'm going to go ahead, start opening this thing. We're going to go over what's in this box, and I'm going to talk about what oil cooler kit I went with, and what really I have planned before I can install the turbo, because obviously you got to have a couple things lined up before you can go ahead and install the turbo, especially because this is my daily driver. I need to make sure that I'm not going to be without a car for too long. So it's very important that I have a couple things set up. So I reached out to the tuner. I'm trying to set a date for when I can get the car tuned. Once I know when I can get the car tuned, that's when we'll install the turbo. So right now, things that I'm missing, I ordered the missing parts. I needed a new oil pan with the tab for it, for the return line for the oil. So that's coming in. I ordered some V-band clamps for the turbo kit. I ordered some gaskets. I ordered what else did I order? I need to order the tuning things that I'm gonna need. So I'm gonna need to order all the stuff that I'm gonna need for the tuning itself. So the Ecutech Bluetooth reprogramming kit and the license and all that stuff I'm gonna be ordering next week. And that's pretty much all I'm gonna have to need really to get the turbo installed. So anyways, that's enough talking about what's missing and what I need for the turbo. Let's go ahead and show you guys everything that I got in here. So I'm gonna put the link to where I ordered this. It was less than $500, I believe. You have two options. You can either get the 13 rows or the 19 rows. I decided to opt for the 19 rows in the oil cooler because, you know, it wasn't that much more expensive, and you're getting a bigger, I guess, more surface area for the air to come in so that it can cool the oil faster. The best brand that you want to make sure you're getting when you're ordering your oil cooler kit is Trap. They make the best oil coolers, which is what I've heard. I don't personally know for sure. So this is the oil cooler itself. This comes the mounting brackets, the hose ends, and the Pro line fittings. So that's pretty cool. We obviously have the two hoses, the return and the feed. It looks pretty legit. Some serious quality stuff right here. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but some serious quality hosing right here with the hosing ends. Let's see what we got in here. So obviously you got the nice quality right there. Good stuff. And obviously the here are the Pro line fittings. Also your hardware that you're gonna need for mounting. Comes with your hardware for the mounting, and some more Pro line fittings, and the sandwich plate right there. So it's pretty much everything you really need. This is a thermostatic one, so it won't it won't actually start cooling the oil until it reaches a certain temperature, which is important when you're, you know, when you live in like an area where sometimes for like half the season it's going to be really cold. and you don't want the oil to be too cold. So this doesn't start cooling until it reaches a specific temperature, which is really dope. This is also by Mocal, which is also one of the better companies for the sandwich plates. So you're getting quality stuff when you order from this website. I'm gonna link it up here and also in the description if you guys are looking for an oil cooler. If you live somewhere or you're gonna be pushing a lot of boost in your BRZ, FRS, GT86s, I highly recommend you guys go with an oil cooler, because temps can get a little bit crazy. You don't want to have any temperature issues when you're driving hard in the mountains, or you're tracking your car or anything like that. You want to make sure that you're keeping your engine safe, especially being the fact that your engine is the heart of the car. So you definitely want to protect it and make sure that it's being lubricated with proper temperature oil. So highly recommend one of these bad boys. So I'll put that away for now, and let's see the actual Satrap oil cooler itself. Let's get in here. Holy moly, man. Couldn't have made this any harder to open. Wow, that is one thick boy. Look at that. Ho ho. Bigger than my head. Look at this. That's crazy. Look at that, man. It's got the logo right there. It's that trap. Let me get that to focus. Look at that thing. Quality right here, boy. This is dope. Very cool. Ha! Get it? Cool. Nice. Nice memes, me. Big boy moves, big boy moves. Alright guys, that was pretty much it. Just an update video. I'll let you guys know what's going on. And just a little unboxing video. Spend some time with you guys. Hope you're all having a great weekend. And hope you're all doing great. Once I know when I can get the turbo installed, and the tuner gets back to me and I get those other things that I'm missing in the mail, we'll go ahead and plan a date to install the turbo, get it tuned and all that good stuff. And we'll finally be making some nice boost on the BRZ. And then we'll see where we take it from there. I have a couple tasteful mods that I want to do to the car, and a couple things that I want to do to the BRZ. But we'll see how it goes. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, remember to hit that like and subscribe button. And as always, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.
Four in the morning, know that I'm zoned and roll up the potent, smoking the propane, mixing the potion, mixing the 20 with Henny and Remy, balling out finger roll, yeah, with the jelly, vibing out, you can find me at the telly, the drugs kicking in, damn, my palms getting sweaty, know that I'm peaking, yeah, I be speeding, lanes I be